Hello and welcome to another episode of The Famous Mommy. I want to show you how I do a nice, light, minimal style of makeup. I literally use a depuffer because mommies, we need depuffers, right? I got those under eye bags and dark circles because of lack of sleep. Now this is something that is all the ingredients I have double checked to make sure they are not pregnancy safe, I'm sorry, because don't quote me on that, please. But I've made sure that they are breastfeeding safe, like no salicylic acid and other types of things that can be harmful to your baby if they can be secreted into the breast milk. All right, so I just kind of apply like this. I wish I had a little more light in here, but let me see. All right, there, hold on one second. I don't know if you can see, kind of blended that in. Now another thing I like to do is a little bit of foundation. I don't use much. I use just a little bit of this color of foundation. It's a little darker than my skin color, just to add a little tan to my face because I think it looks nice. I only use about that much. And I don't do this every day. You guys see me at my best and my worst. Well, not my absolute best because I have not slept properly in these days. I'll look my best when I get some proper sleep. I try to get a little bit on the ear and the neck and behind the ear so you don't see that big line. You know? How like you see some people and you're like, they don't know how to do their makeup because they don't know how to blend properly. Kind of rub it in gently right there. And if I do, if you can still see the line, I kind of blend it into my chest area, like where my bra, like a little, just a tiny bit to blend your color so that you don't look white and then tan other places. Okay, so you want to blend. I use my fingers, it's easiest for me. It's fast, it's quick, it's painless. I know you're supposed to use the little makeup sponges, which is probably better. I get like the barely inside my nose too, so it doesn't look weird. Do my lips. All right, there we go. Let's see if you can. So like now it's like a fresh face. Got to blend this a little bit more. A little bit right there. There we go. A little bit fresher than I was looking. Now, you know, I just like a very light makeup, if at all. I hardly use any. So that was it. Now I'm going to use a little mascara. Whatever mascara you choose. Oh gosh. I need to tweeze the eyebrows. Definitely want to tweeze the eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna look in the other mirror. Okay, let's see, I like to apply it like that. Rain, rain, go away. You're so cute how you're singing. It's so cute. There's no rain today though. It's a beautiful day outside, Centea. Would you like to go play outside? Daddy will take you out. Papa's gonna take you outside. Okay, so let's do that side. And do a little bit on this side. I like to raise my eyebrows so that my eyes stay open. Let's see. Can't see as well in the phone as I can in the mirror. Okay, then I just go over it again. Centea, stay where I can see you, baby, please. Come here. Come here, sweet girl. Oh, that's a good song. Okay. Get that. Okay. You get the gist, right? I am going to finish this up in the mirror over there, and then I will show you the final. See how my eyelashes, I just kept doing a little bit there, excuse me, a little mess in the background. There's always something my 2-year-old gets into that she leaves on the floor. I can't get her to pick up all her toys ever. We do the best we can though, right, mommies? Okay. Oh, I clean my house at least twice a week, scrubbing the floors and bathrooms and stuff, but the minute I clean up the toys, they're all over the floor again 5 minutes later, and I feel bad because, you know, she's actually playing with them. I tell her, put away the toys you're not playing with, and then she goes and plays with all of them and makes them all talk, and she makes, you know, uses her imagination, and I can't dwindle on her ability to learn, so I kind of let it slide, and then at night we put all the toys away again. She's been really good about that. And she helps with dishes, and she helps sweep, even though It's not, of course, that great. Okay, now what I do is if you get a touch of mascara on your upper lid or something, I use my saliva, but maybe you shouldn't. Maybe you should just use a piece of water and I kind of just like, you know, wipe it off. Done. Okay, so next time I'll do this with better lighting, I think. There you go. So it's a quick, light, mommy makeup, you know, looks pretty good. My mess back there, oh my goodness. Okay, it's time to clean. All right, so this mommy is off to work today, and thank you for watching the Famous Mommy channel and subscribing to our channel and liking our videos. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. I thought I'd add a little funny excerpt at the end of this video. I use black toothpaste so I can get all the coffee off my teeth in the morning. It's activated charcoal toothpaste without fluoride. Really weird. What are you doing? No. Why'd you take my sticker? Hey, about 2 minutes of that. Then I brush my tongue. Because you don't want bad breath. I'm going to spit. There we go. Nice and white. Naturally white. I didn't use any whitener. I probably should bleach my teeth soon. Uh-oh. What are you doing? You don't play with that. No. So, look at me. I'm sweating. I'm hot. It's very warm in here today. All right. So, that was me brushing my teeth. And I guess we'll see you later. Thanks for watching The Famous Mommy.